Introducing rolling drill machine, very easy and stable way to drill a hole in art clay silver piece. Check the basic steps to use. Loosen the screw of the arm to remove it from the column. Open the chuck to set a drill bit. Close the chuck to fix the drill firmly. Put the arm back in the position. Drilling a hole in this fired art clay piece of 2 mm thick. Place the piece and lift down the arm. Lift down the arm to gain spring tension between the arm and the vise head. Tighten the screw to lock the arm. Start rolling the handle in clockwise direction. Spring tension keeps down force and helps your easy rolling. You can drill all through 2 mm thick piece very easily. You can drill up to 5 mm thick fired art clay silver piece with the machine. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.